pretty nice and open now. Nothing's gonna rub your car. It's exactly how I'd hope to come in. I think people will be happy. I've had a few people come down to see this amazing cottage that don't really even get to the cottage before they have issues. And as you can see, the road's in excellent shape, but there was trees hanging all the way down over the road just because they grow pretty quick. It's not like it was not maintained for a while. But if you're coming down the road in your fancy car and these branches are rubbing it, then you're really not very happy before you get to the property. And then while we're at the property, the driveway could use some gravel, so we're going to have some gravel brought in because you don't want to drive all the way down a nice dry road then have to dry on a bit of muddy area. So we're going to take care of that. And then people will actually get to the cottage and have an appreciation for what a great property it is. Instead of coming down and being upset that your car was getting rubbed with branches and then you had to drive in mud. So it is a really great lot. We want people to see it and appreciate it for what it is and not be upset by the time they get there. So we're just trying to help out. We just got back from cutting trees on the road all the way out. You can see the guys have gotten another, I don't know, 50 feet through this mess. They're loving it. They're loving their day, their life today. We're putting in a drainage line here to take this water that's in this low area, we didn't understand why, to the lake. But what we're finding is there's a couple eavesdrops lines right here, and they're plugged solid. So all the water off the roof just comes right down here and stops dead. So we'll tie those into our new line going to the lake.
Oh yeah, the same guy, the yellow, green, light green.
We're dragging this big O down around the trees he has here.
Been like,
Gonna take it right down to the water here. Get this place dried up. It's a beautiful piece of land. Just needs to show it. This property is just so pretty, we gotta make it look pretty. Got all this level area here. This should really be dried up. I guess we found out, like we saw, that the eavesdrops were coming down and just getting plugged up underground here, so it was just staying wet all the time. We got that fixed now. It should dry up. Here we are today. Got a big O going into the ground.
yeah, we made that pit for it too.
And then we're putting sand over top and all around it. That's the sand there. That's some of the original top, so we're trying to just top dress it a bit so we can put the sod back on. You can see it's pure
Well, we had to give it
filter sand.
I made this pit yesterday.
Sand in the dump trailer. To the wheelbarrow. To the ditch. Gotta get the sand in the dump trailer so I can figure out how much more I need. And we can top dress. Here we are, trench is filled in, sod's put back. We're just cleaning the extra dirt off. Put those beside the driveway over here. And we'll have this place drying up.